ocean, it takes away everything. Yeah. Yeah. And as I look out at the sea, all the problems of my world go away. See, I'm pretty lucky where I live, in the land of the long white cloud. And if you ever wanna come and say hi, just know that I'll be right by your side. And we can pick ourselves up and we can go away and fly up high in the sky with a bird's eye view of the world below. You know, our minds don't always do what we want them to do. You feel the same way, and I just talking to myself. I don't even know it. I don't even know it. Huh. Yeah.
We got a fish!
Yeah, boy!
What do you got?
The rum.
Oh, yeah.
Tuna!
We don't cut it.
Family one.
How you going?
Look at this. That for a bit of nice tuna, eh? Today's catch, team effort. Tuna steaks and the barbie. Oh yeah.
What do you got?
Grapefruit. Look at this. Massive.
Land ahoy!
Woo! Rangiroa! So this is going to be the first atoll that Inspire has been through. So it's the first pass as well, so a little bit nervous, but she should be sweet. We're about about 1.5 hours off a slack tide, so we're just going to go and check it out and then see if it's all safe to enter, and we'll be good to go. Are you pumped?
Fuck yeah, I can't wait.
You can't
I can't
swear.
swear on this. Yeah, I can't wait, eh? Pretty excited.
What are you looking forward to the most?
Surfing, and surfing. Nah, I'm pretty excited to go surfing. I've been waiting for this moment for a long time. Finally in the Pacific, it's all waves from now on. Yeah, boy.
Jake.
It's just pushing us in, eh?
Oh my god, we're spinning!
We've just inserted Inspire into an atoll.
Water looks amazing.
We made it, guys. What a spot for a barbie. What a sunset. Rangiroa Atoll. Come through the pass, pretty sick. Now time to dive the anchor.
Morning. So we're all up early this morning. We are going to go check out the surf break, which is about 4 nautical miles on Jeff. And I'm getting another scan, so...
A mental scan.
Jacob thinks it's a mental scan, but it's really for Kev. Get some weight!
So,
Further away from the fish. So hard.
Jeff is hard.
So curved today.
I missed it!
Phone in my pocket.
medical centre. The surf was too good, so the boys stayed out there.
It is pumping.
Sam's my husband for the day, but look at the sign, it's so funny. We can tell we're on island styles.
Just had a fun ass surf, and we're just gonna go check out. Come around the bay here. Abby's bought me a real nice chips, steak, baguette, and just found this yacht beach day, so I'm just gonna go check it out. Great surf, pretty small though, but real fun. What happened? Man, that must have sucked. So sad seeing boats washed on the beach. You never really know the story behind it, but there's always a good reason for it. Check out this water. Check out the current.
Probably moving about 6 knots.
Wow, I like the colour.
It's gonna drift out to the surf.
Time to see some sharks and some grouper. Second attempt to go get my scan. Will Jeff be okay there?
Jeff will be sweet ass.
Rowan's not surfing this time.
Huh? I would be if it's pumping, if it's gone. Lucky the tide's wrong.
Scan was all really good, guys. Baby's healthy, which is the main thing. Sorry we couldn't really film in there, but yeah, it all went well, and yeah, healthy, and I'm about 15 weeks. Due date is on the 27th of November this year. Feels
A steel walking stick. You'll need one of those soon.
Does it feel weird that you're gonna have a baby soon?
Feels real weird. It hasn't really hit me. It doesn't. It's yeah, I don't know. Kind of doesn't really feel like it's happening. But it's pretty cool. I'm pretty stoked. Oh no.
Looks like looks like you might have to swim.
You just hold that.
You're gonna have to go for a swim.
Yeah.
Man, that looks blue. Go.
1, 2, 3. Oh my god, it's so cold. Not. Oh.
Go.
What's happened to Jeff?
Huh?
Motor's come off.
What do you mean?
One, 2.
Oh. Warm?
Beautiful.
Let's service.
Check those skills.
Nice and dry. Oh no. Not sure if Jeff's starting.
Definitely not starting now. It's dead.
Shark pups. Whoa, shark.
Whoa.
Woo! Woo! A wee shark about 1 metre long just swam past us. A wee blackfin. A black tip. Wee black tip.
Didn't. Welcome. This place is so nice. It's a bit flash for us though.
So we're all pretty pumped. We're about to go do the shark dive. So it's just coming on high tide and you just drift dive through the pass. And we spoke to a guy yesterday that he said he's seen over 300 sharks.
So we're going for a dirty dive. No, we're going for a shark dive. We're going out the pass. We're gonna pretty much we're gonna drift in when the tide pushes us in and hopefully see some sharks and yeah, maybe spear a few fish and see how we go.
What was that?
You just fully missed the whole
Even layer of nipple vats.
Why do you put this on?
That's just for serious divers.
Sensitive. They get
I'm very sensitive and I'm hoping to cuddle a shark. Really closely.
He likes to slip his way through. Luck.
Are you going to vest up your nips, right?
Yes.
I'm gonna do mine.
Are you going to vest up yours? Yeah.
So we're back for the second time. Abby has forgotten yet another item.
Toothpaste. You gotta have fresh breath.
Yeah, she's getting toothpaste. She wants nice breath for the shark.
Here comes the set, guys. Oh, look at this one. Eee! What a day. It's a sick Stringer's birthday today. Hopefully he's had his birthday barrel. Oh yeah. Here comes the set. Here comes the set. Go!